So we are looking here at a small area of your curriculum, but the one that shows up pretty often is a scale factor. Okay, the triangles OAB, so OAB and OCD, so the small one and the big one are shown. The triangle OCD is the image of triangle, so they are the same almost. What's the difference? The small triangle got enlarged and became big triangle. Okay, and then on the enlargement of the center on the scale factor K. Now, one piece of knowledge that we need to remember once we see that scale factor in our exam question is that length multiplied by the scale factor equal enlarged length, and then area multiplied by scale factor to the power of 2. It's enlarged area. So those are the two information we need. We are not in our maths tables. We need to remember them. And here we have, in this particular question, given a measurement of AB being 8 and CD being 12. So what do we need to do? First of all, we have to work out the scale factor. So since they gave me the length, that's the idea I'm going to use, isn't it? The length that is not enlarged is 8. So that means 8 multiplied by scale factor of K will equal the enlarged length, which is 12. Now, if we want the value of K, not K multiplied by a number, what do? We divide by that number and we divide both sides of the equation. And that way, if we put 12 over 8 in our calculator, we press equal, indeed we get 1.5. Now, next part, given that OC, so from here to here, so enlarged length is 15, we have to find OA, meaning this part, the length that is not enlarged. So how do we do that? Again, we use the same idea. The length I'm looking for is not enlarged. So that's my OA. And that length multiplied by scale factor, which we know now is 1.5, will give me what? Enlarged length. And in this case, 15. So again, I don't want that OA multiplied by a scale factor. Therefore, how do I eliminate it? By dividing both sides of the equation. Always remember, when you have a multiplication, to eliminate multiplication, we divide and we divide both sides of the equation. And again, when we put that 15 divided by 1.5 in our calculator and press equal, we got 10. So that's how we use that knowledge. But again, can't stress that enough. That is one of the things that you have to have a look before your exams so that it will be fresh in your mind.